In one of my last videos, I was talking about how much sunnier it is on the other side of the port. So I'm going to go for a walk today and warm up. And I'm going to check out the village a little bit from above. One of the things that makes this port village really special is that it's surrounded on three sides by very important archaeological sites that cannot be touched. So this little village will always remain the little gem that it is and not be overdeveloped. My days here on Kea are spent doing the final packing and also planning the next big moves at the house. It's time to get a lot of supplies in. Yeah, today I'm going to do a better drawing of this. I'm going to start working out the wood. On the 6th of January, the Christmas holidays in Greece officially come to an end with the Festival of Light, Ton Photon, also known as the Epiphany. The priest will throw the cross into the sea twice, and the third time our local youth will jump in and dive to catch it. There's a brief moment in time when I was an oil painter. We're at peak packed now, and it's pretty chaotic. But I'm glad the way it's gone, and I'm glad that I used smaller boxes because everything is really like micro-organized during the packing, and it's going to be super easy to figure out what kind of storage I need in which area for what thing. Yeah, it's going to be a good way of kind of setting up the house and seeing what's needed. It's crazy to see all this stuff. I had no idea it would be this much. It seemed you know, it was so well hidden, let's put it that way. I just counted about 60 boxes. There's some down there as well. They're not large, which is nice because they're easy for me to move. It's purposeful. And here we go. I like this one. Files, frames, and frittata plate. Random. Oh, it's so nice having everything micro-organized. Right over the wheel, that's great. This is amazing. Oh my God. This is amazing. Well, it really can't get much more packed than that. This is a big test to see how it performs when it's packed, because this is my life. And the front seat is reserved for my case and my cat, who is, of course, within 6 feet of me, as usual. Tell the people, I always follow her everywhere she goes. Yep. I forgot to make a final count so I can figure how many loads it's going to be. It's 6 in the morning. I'm waiting for the ferry to start loading. I don't think I have ever packed a car this tight, and that's saying something. I've packed some cars. It is unbelievable what I managed to fit in here. I would say it takes probably about maybe twice as much as the Golf takes. Crazy. So here we have Dickie. I don't know if you can see her, but she's not thrilled with the whole situation, but she's also not upset. Right, Dickie? As long as you're next to me, you're okay, aren't you? She doesn't mind. Super, super flat sea, so it should be a super fast and easy crossing. Well, I didn't bore you with the unloading of the car because that's something you've seen before and you're probably going to see again. But I will show you something. There is a lot of water here. I mean a lot. It's all the way to here. That is an insane amount of water this time. It was a month and a week. No, that's not true. I emptied it a few weeks ago. This is insane. I mean, that's a lot of water. That's about, if I judge against my 30-liter pans, that's probably 70 liters of water. For the third time in 3 months, I find myself at Teo for the annual car check, but this time it's for my sexy new car. Good morning. Just checking for leaks. Today is going to be monumental. You know why? The windows and doors for everywhere that is missing them are being delivered today. They're going to start the installation. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I am so excited. It's going to be hard not to cry, to be honest. It is such a relief after such a long road to get to this place. It's going to be hard not to cry. I'm just warning you. I'm about to cry just thinking about it, so I'll try to keep myself under control. This morning I'm doing all kinds of bits and bobs. I'm waiting for the window and door guy to come and start the installation. And I've measured exactly how much the counter is going to be here, how much the passageway is, and I've placed this exactly where it's going to be in real time, the real island. The only difference is this is 70 centimeters wide and the base will be 70, but then there's another 30 that it sticks out so that you have stools and you can sit at it. I'm also waiting for Kostas, my marble guy, to come and make a pattern of this so we can finally get this all finished. So it's 10:30 and I was just told by window door guy he's coming around noon. So I'm gonna go run to the building supply place because I've got a project I'm really excited about finishing, which involves putting curtain rods up on all of these windows and then using just a cheap shower curtain to block it off for now. And then when the house is finished, I'll make beautiful linen curtains or something. So I'm spending this time to hem the curtains. I'm really pleased with the way they look. With a nice deep hem, much better. I assure you I will be back very soon with what are absolutely spectacular photographs of the new windows and everything that led up to that. Until then, have a great week, and I will see you in exactly 1 week. Thanks for watching. Bye.